I made a promise to myself that when I left hair school, I wanted to stay creative. So for a lot of you guys that are in school right now, that passion that you have and that drive that you feel right now, I want you guys to keep that there because I think that's going to determine the rest of your career.
Don't stop what you got. Better you not. I want it all. I'm one in a million, no, like one in a billion.
This beautiful brand that was created by hairdressers and for the hairdressers, that we care enough about our environment and we want it to thrive for years and years and years to come.
Lights up. Don't stop what you got. Better you not. I want it all.
I call this a veil section. And it's a very, very small sliver of pink. You guys see that? And you can use this technique with different color combinations. Look at the technique, not the color, right? So if you think about it, a lot of your clients want to do a two-tone blonde on top and a dark on the bottom, okay? So if you think about it, if I took a bigger section of this veil, it would be more solid on top.
What's holding you under? I roll like thunder. I'm only one, but got you outnumbered. I got an appetite, and nothing can satisfy.
What is your biggest piece of advice for someone who's a year into the industry?
Yeah, a year in?
I'm about a year in.
Year in, out of your license?
Yep.
Wow. Experience everything. Understand the hair. You got to fry some hair to learn what it does. It happens, dude. I was frying hair 4 years in. You know what I mean? And it's normal because if you don't mess up, you're not gonna learn from it. You'll always be scared. And I feel like you have to push the boundaries to get there. You know what I mean? Because you'll never be that stylist if you don't mess up.
Besides pictures, what else would you recommend in order, to get seen with our work and stuff? Or yeah.
You can say be seen, it's fine.
Yeah, be seen to promote,
It's okay.
work on Instagram or
Yeah.
any other social media platform.
Yeah, so what I would say is use relevant hashtags that pertain to your work. Tag your location. I think it's really important. Clients are out there looking for you. Just the way you're looking for a lash artist, just the way you look for nails, you have to get into the habit of posting your things so people can find you. So your location is really important. Your hashtag is really important if it's relevant.
I want it all.